Yeah, see that some important problems in today's class. The problem number 1, the level 2 homework problem, classroom problems. Level 2. Today is the level 2 problems. Please don't write on the screen and see that. Question number 1. What is the question? Here, problem number 37. Problem number 37. A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3. C is equal to 9. C is equal to 9. Then the number of prime factors for. So before,
Morning, sir.
yes, good morning
Good
and
afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Find the value of C square into B minus A whole square. They are asking that question. Answer.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Just to see that. What is the C number? C is a 9. Yes. Now here write that 9 square into B value. B minus A. B is how much? 3 minus 6. A is 6 whole square. Now here 9 square into 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square. Now this is 9 square into anything under the square minus under the square, it will be positive only, that is 3 square. Then here is a what? Now can I write for the 9 3 square? Yes, and is a whole square into this is the 3 square. Right? Now here then I am writing that here 3 power 2 whole to the power of 2, 2 2s are 4 na? So can I write 3 power 4 into 3 square is 3 square. When bases are equal, power should be add. According to that 3 power, this 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 3 power 6. Can I write this number as a 3 power 6? Yes, the answer is 3 power 6. Right? Yes, copy that. And this, if they are asking the prime number of this number, what is the prime number? Answer is 3. The factors of 3 is a prime factorization. Is completed? Yes. Shall I move for the second next question? Shall I go? Yes. Now see that. The second question. Question number 47. Yes. Yes, somebody raised the hand. Who is that? Kritika. What's the doubt? 47. If root 6 is equal to, if root 6 is equal to 2.449, then they are asking that 3 root 2 by 2 root 3 is equal to how much? The important question. This question is very important. Now see that here gave that what? Root 6 value is this much. Then they are asking this the number. For this number, what is the answer they are asking? So how to find this number? So anybody have any doubt, any idea? So before finding of this number, just see this number. Here under root, can I write for the 6 is 2 into 3? Can I write this is 2 into 3? Yes, I can. Now, and everybody knows that root AB formula is equal to what? If under root of A into B is there, then you can write root A into root B. Yes. In the similar way, can I write this root 2 into root 3? Yes or no? Yes. Now see that. Here the question is what? 3 root 2. Can we do anything here? Guys, are you listening or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Now see here. For this question, I have to modify something. This 3, can I write root 3 into root 3? Root 3 into root 3 whole square. This is root 2, copy paste. Similarly, here 2 is there now. For this 2, I can write root 2 into root 2. Yes, root 2 whole square means 2 only. Root 3 whole square means 3 only. Nothing is changed. And this is root 3 value is root 3. Up to here clear? Yes, everybody. Then do the, I hope everybody knows that. Everyone knows that what? Cancellation. Root 3 cancel. Root 2 cancel. And the numerator is what? Root 3. And denominator is what? Root 2. Yes. Now, from coming to the question, see here, root 2 is equal to, can I write 2.449449 by root 3? Yes, I can. Now here, substitute the same value. Instead of root 2, numerator is what? Root 3 only. And denominator, instead of root 2, can I write this is 2.449, and this root 3 comes in numerator. Yes or no? Now, this become root 3 into root 3, 3 only by 2.449. 2.449. If you simplify this again, what you get? You will get 0.6. You will get 0.6 something. That's the answer. Okay, copy this. Anybody have any doubts? No doubt. Shall I move the next? Yes. See that question number 49. Question number 49. Simplify the value of 198 by 216. Simplify this value. Then you guys are know that how to simplify. Yes or no? Then take the 2 table only, minimum table. 2 ones are here. You have to take two numbers at a time. 2 eights are. I am doing the cancellation. 2 nines are 18. Remain is 1. Again 2 nines are. And this number goes in the what table? 3 table, because of 1 plus 8 is 9 and this is 99. You knows that it goes in what table? 3 table. Just cancel it. 3 threes are 9 and 1 here. 3 6 are 18. In similar way here also 3 threes are 3 threes are. Okay, again do the same cancellation in what table? 3 table. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are. Final, how much your answer? 11 by 12. That's the answer. Clear? Yes. Then the next question. Yes, the question number, next question. The question is 50. First 50 and natural, sum of the first 50 natural numbers I already told you that for finding of natural number, sum is equal to, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Yes or no? Then here n value is how many numbers? 50. Your n value is 50. Consider n is equal to 50. Then here is 50 into 50 plus 1 is 51 by 2. 2 ones are 25 are. Now multiply this 25 into 51. How much? Tell me that first. Yes, 1 5 are 5, and here is 25. This is 2. 27, 2 carry 7 here. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. That's the answer. See guys, understood that? Then the next question is, yes, now who is that? Everybody mute your voice. Okay. Now, the questions based on the LCM and HCF. The questions are based on LCM and HCF. In the last class, I told you that how to find the LCM. For example, the numbers are 36. This is target number 2, target 2, level 1, target 2, level 1. Homework problems 36, 52. Yes. Then you guys are knows that how to find the LCM. Yes or no? Yeah. Then here take that minimum table is what? 2, 2 ones are, 2 eights are, and remaining number is what? 18 are. This is 2 twos are, 2 six are, and again take that 2 table, 2 nines are. Here is a what? 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Anything is else? No, because of 13 is a prime number. After once you get this number, then do that multiplication of these two. 4, 4 into 9, 4 nines are 36, 36 into 13. How much? How to multiply these 2 digit into 2 digit numbers? Yeah, see, 6 threes are 18, 1 is carry, and 6 ones are 6, 3 threes are 9. This is 10 plus 6, 16. 6 is the answer here, and 1 is carry. The second, next, the third step, 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. That's the answer. The LCM of this number is how much? This is 468 is the answer of the 36, 52 LCM. Then go for the next HCF. Where is it? Yes. The next question, third question. This is third question. HCF of the 260 and 320. You have to find this time what to find? HCF. Now when they gave the numbers right like this, you are this side, this divisor should be the minimum number and your dividend is maximum number always. Okay, then here in 260 table where 320 is goes, 261s are 260 only. Yes or no? Yes, 260. Then take the subtraction of this 0, carry 10, 12, minus 6, 6. Here remaining is how much? 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again I got how much? 60. Then this, take this 260 number here, and now read that 60 table. 6 table, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 na. So 6 fours are 240. Yes, and again take the subtraction here, like here also same. 0, 2. Then take that this number here. 21s are 23s are how much? 60. So here finally you got how much? 0. So I hope everybody knows that you have to do the your HCF until you have to get 0. You have to get 0, then stop that. Then before that 0, getting of the 0, who is that divisor? 20 is the divisor. That's 20 is your answer. Before getting the 0, who is the divisor? 20. That's why your answer is 20. Got it? Then understood that? Go for the next question.
Yes, sir.
Please mute your voice. If you have any doubts, you can ask. I don't have any problem. And meanwhile, you also do the same problem. While I am explaining, you also write it, note it down. Then question number 5. Those who have the textbook, you can see that question number 5, 1323 HCF. 1323 HCF is how much? Now read the 13 table. First you have to divide that is what minimum number. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So I have to take 13 only here. 0 and 1. Then take this 13 here. In 10 table 13 will come? No. 10 ones are 10 only. Then remainder is how much? 3. Then take the one more line. Bring this number 10 here. Now in 3 table, 3 threes are 9. Remainder is how much? 1. Again bring that number is 3 here. Now 1 threes are 3. Here how much I got? 0. Then stop the problem. Now what I said to you, before getting the 0, who is the divisor? 1 is the divisor. That's the answer. 1 is your answer. Okay, then the next important question is question number 6. In the last class I told you that question number 6, what is that? LCM of 2 by 5 comma 4 by 7. How to solve this problem is important. And 5 by 2. LCM, you have to find that what? LCM of this question. How to find the LCM? Still I know that how for finding of LCM or HCF for natural numbers, but now is a fraction. How to? So in the last class I told that if there is a one numerator, in the answer it will get one numerator and denominator. For numerator they are asking what? LCM now. For numerator numbers find the LCM. For denominator numbers find the HCF. Okay, that's the answer. For numerator numbers are what? Now see here. 2, 4. LCM is how much? 4. 4, 5. Successive numbers. HCF is what? 20. 4, 5 are 20. So your number is 20. Then come back here. Take the minimum number 2 and next number is a 5. HCF na. 2 2s are 4 and here is a what? 1. Carry again bring this number 2 here. 1 2s are 2. So here I got the how much? 1 and 1 and next number is a what? 7. Now take the 1 and 7. HCF of 1 and any number, your HCF is 1 only by 1. So your answer is 20. Your answer is 20. Yes, understood that? Everybody. Anybody have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Yes, then wait, hold it, stop here. Yes,